And we are back. So, what about if we have non-mutually exclusive or events that are not mutually exclusive? In that case, we will have to do something a bit different. So first, again, we have to identify if the events are indeed not mutually exclusive, and then to find that probability. And again, so this kind of shows that there's no overlap. This is the probability that that A and B both occur. So we can look at calculate the probability of A, probability of B, and the probability of A and B. You see that it's basically the same thing as mutually exclusive, but again, we have to consider that one event can satisfy both conditions. So that's what we're effectively going to be doing here. So let's look again at a question. I think it's always helpful. What is the probability of pulling a card that is red or an ace? So again, we can see, and actually we know from our deck of cards, we definitely one event can satisfy this because we have an ace of hearts and an ace of diamonds. So these are automatically not mutually exclusive events. So what is the probability? So A is pulling a red card. So the probability of pulling a red card is a half. Plus the probability of pulling an ace, there's 4 aces in the deck, is, that's the second kind of event, is 1 over 4, because there's, or actually, excuse me, not 1 over 4. There are 4 aces. Ooh, I'm still getting used to there are 4 aces. And now, what is the event, or what is the probability of pulling a card that is red and an ace? Well, we said that there are 2 out of 52, so that would be minus the mutually exclusive event. Again, basically, we're looking at that that value there. What is that probability that those events occur? And we can get that here. And we got it. Fantastic. So again, just for a kind of some clarity on notation, this is the probability that A and B that they overlap. These are that they do not overlap. Kind of in very common parlance, but anyways. So if they're not mutually exclusive, we need to utilize this right here. If they are mutually exclusive, we can see kind of our those parameters here. So we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.